I'm heading off to the feed mill to get the starter feed for the pigs. I'm going to be getting them next week, and I want to run over and get about 100 pounds of feed to get them started. Everything else is ready to go. Water, the gravity feeder, and the pen, as you saw. So let's get in the truck here and head on out. We're heading to Stauffer Feed Mill. It's in Leonardtown, Maryland. They will custom blend feed for you. That's where I'm going today. I'm going to go get a couple 50-pound bags of starter feed for the pigs. I want to make sure we get them off on the right foot with feed that has a lot of protein in it. Target is to get them as close to 300 pounds as possible by mid-November time frame when we take them to slaughter. While we're on the road here, I want to invite you all to go to our website, stanfordsmodernhomestead.com. On there, Brenda's blogging about a lot of the things that we're doing on the homestead, and there's probably, I don't know, 8 to 10 blogs on there now dealing with chickens and other topics that are maybe of interest to you. And on there as well is the what we use section. So if you see something that we're using on one of the videos and are interested in going to go get it, then we have the links on the website for you to go check it out for yourselves. We do have an Amazon affiliate link or affiliate store. We get a small commission on what you would normally buy. The price, your price doesn't go up, it's just we get a little bit of a commission on anything you should buy. So I would ask that you go, if you're interested in anything you've seen on our videos, and click on the link and look around, see what you like. Look around and see if there's something you like. We appreciate that. And Brenda's going to be blogging pretty consistently, I think. Got a fire truck behind me here, so I got to get out of the way. God for firemen. Talk about a dangerous job. When I was in the Navy, I worked on the aircraft carrier flight deck. Not exactly a cakewalk, but these guys on a daily basis are dealing with peril that when they mess up, it hurts bad. So, and they save a lot of people's lives, which I appreciate. So anyway, back to the website. We also have a little bit of backstory on who we are and what motivates us to do these videos. Hopefully you take a look at it. Maybe provide some comments. You can comment on the website, or you can email us at stanfordsmodernhomestead@gmail.com. We appreciate your feedback. And you know, we've been at this for 3 months now, and hopefully what we're doing is of interest to people as we get our home set up and running. We have a variety of different projects that we're going to be doing in the future that should be of interest to like-minded folks like yourselves. And we'd really appreciate it also if you'd share our videos with folks that you may think would appreciate them as well. The more views we get, the more of a collaboration we can start amongst homesteaders and people who are interested in homesteading. Your input is, we look forward to your input, and we will try to answer any of your questions or at least respond to you in a timely fashion. The Amish are not real high on getting their pictures taken, so I'm going to respect that. We got 2 bags. That should get them going for now. Okay, so that was a pretty painless evolution. I ended up buying this brand here. It's a balanced formula with amino acids, and it's free of animal products. This pig starter should do the trick. And I'll just buy a couple 50-pound bags at a time until we progress them to the feed that we'll be using as they grow a little bigger. And then we'll probably change it up a little bit towards the end, finishing feed. But that mill, that Amish mill, will grind anything you want, which is fantastic. So that was about $37 for those 2 bags. We're going to keep track of the cost of raising these pigs so that we have a good idea of how much to budget for next year. But if you like these videos, please hit subscribe, hit the like button, and share it with your friends. Until next time, all the best.